Guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on a new episode of my channel. Well, anyways, today we're going to be talking about selling stuff online, guys, and how exactly I sell stuff. So before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, guys, so when you're selling products online, it could be something so simple as a nice sponge, or shoes. Shoes are a big one. Or it can be t-shirt or socks. You guys got to get your shipping right. So this is where everybody they get it wrong. They really don't know like where do I start this and that. So I would recommend buying this scale here. This one is a well-known scale. I'm gonna plug it in, turn it on, and show you guys that this is what it's called. ACCU Tech. Okay, so this one has batteries on the back, or you can plug it in. So there you go. I'm gonna plug it in, turn it on. There we go. Okay, so the first thing you guys gotta know is when you're shipping products out there, you guys gotta know your scales, your weights, and everything like that. So for example, most shippers, you gotta see what they put their weights in. So we got lbs, we got oz, ounces, we got grams, we got ounces, lbs. So most likely they're gonna charge by kilograms. So you're gonna put that on, that's 15 kilograms. You can also change it to ounces, that's 2 ounces there. 6. And let's change it, that's 10. So play around with it, your scale, and get comfortable on what things weigh, So for example, if you want to weigh say an Apple Pencil, see how much. So it's 0.7 ounce. We're gonna change that to 22 grams. 24. This one is lb, so 50 kilograms. So for example, most likely most shippers are gonna be charging in ounces. So let's check these pair of shoes. Put them on. So that is 12.6 ounces. So I'll round up. Usually I'll say that is 13 ounces. So when you're selling stuff online, so especially Whatnot is a good area to start. You guys gotta know your weights. That's very, very, very important. So that's good. You have a scale. And the second part is the shipping. So how are we gonna ship the product to the customer? So I like using these here, but they can get costly over time. So you're gonna put on top. Let's see how much it's 0.3 ounces. So you're gonna take your product, guys. Your product plus the weight of your shipping bag, and that's how much your customer is going to pay in shipping. So put that on. Let's see. Put it down flat. That's 0.6 ounces. Okay, so that's pretty good. But now we gotta be more creative. We can order these bags too online. We can order 100 of them for, I don't know, $20 or so. But these are very, very light. Look, it's so light you can't even really scale it. Like, you can scale it, but it's like, it's 0.01, 0.02. It's like, it's nothing. But this is what we're gonna ship in to save money on all the expenses here. So we're gonna put our product inside for the customer. I like to fold it up like this. Perfect. I like to weigh it. It's 0.4 of an ounce, and then I like to ship that out. Same thing goes for the shoes. You just put your shoes inside and you weigh the shoes and the bag together. That's 13 ounce. So you guys just got to be familiar with your scale and how you're going to ship your products out there. After you know all those things, you guys can start selling. And it's very easy to sell. Just sell, be consistent, and that's all there is to it, guys. But anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. I would start selling on Whatnot. Whatnot's like a live auction. If you guys can learn that, you guys are golden. Take care, and you know, stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Take care. Bye.